Hey there! So, when I was starting off drawing comics and drawing cartoon characters, I didn't really know where to start. And so, something that I did for fun right around 6th, 7th grade was I started drawing circles all over my notes, all over my homework and all over my textbooks and all over every scrap of paper I could find. And then inside those circles, I started to experiment with facial expressions. So I'm about to show you how I went about learning how to draw characters, learning how to draw facial expressions, learning how to draw emotion, and that is really what helped me learn how to, draw comics. And that was a huge groundbreaking sort of practice that I did, and I'm going to walk you through how I did it. So let's get started. I just drew a whole bunch of circles here on my screen, and so let's get started. All right, so let's get started here. So I just created a whole bunch of circles, and this is a really great thing. I feel like circles are probably the most important thing that you can draw as an artist. I will stand by that. The reason why I say that is because almost every single thing that I draw starts with a circle. It begins with a circle. So let's draw our first facial expression. So let's just draw two eyes and a smiley face. So you can draw eyes way wide. You can draw them up high. You draw them down low. Just start to experiment with what kind of expression can you draw with just these simple drawing tools. Just with a couple dots and a couple lines, you can start to draw really any kind of facial expression that you can think of. So that's kind of an example of very simple lines, very simple expressions, but you can see already just how different these characters are. They're starting to take on personality. So this is something I started to do when I was in 6th, 7th grade for fun. And then I just started exploring with more lines. What if I put eyebrows on this character? How would that change the expression? So here I just drew a whole bunch of eyebrows, and each eyebrow different makes a whole different feeling of this character. And you even change where the character is looking. So with this simple technique, very quickly you can start to develop facial expression, emotion, and character. So let me give you some more examples. Let's take this same face right here, and let's draw it again. Now let's take this same face and draw it again. Looks like he has a little smirk. So now we can just start creating character. All right, there we have it. There we have a whole page full of facial expressions. And as you can see here, you can do so much with just a couple of lines. So I would really recommend doing something like this to explore facial expression, emotion, personality, character. So have fun.